Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel SSC Aspirants Lalit Thakur. So we are going to start the grammar watch basics to advance. So this is of this batch day first. इससे हम लोगों को बहुत सारे फायदा होंगे. इससे हम अपनी इंग्लिश में इम्प्रूवमेंट एंड रीडिंग में इम्प्रूवमेंट रीडिंग करने के बाद जो समरी होती है उसको समझ सकेंगे. नेक्स्ट स्पीकिंग, ये हमें स्पीकिंग करेक्टिंग हेल्प करेगा और राइटिंग स्किल में भी हेल्प करेगा. तो क्वेश्चन उठते हैं, व्हाई शुड वी लर्न ग्रामर एंड व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ ग्रामर. सो लेट मी क्लियर योर डाउट्स. यस. So in this sequence we will learn exploring the foundations of grammar. These are foundations. The operating system of communication. ये कम्युनिकेशन को ऑपरेट करता है, ये हमें हेल्प करता है ऑपरेटिंग में. At its core, grammar is the set of structure rules covering the composition of clauses, phrases, and words in any given natural language. ये किसी भी भाषा को क्या करता है, कंपोज करता है और ये ऑपरेट करता है कम्युनिकेशन को, जिससे कि सामने वाला हमारी लैंग्वेज अच्छे से समझ सके कि मैं बोलना क्या चाह रहा हूँ. If I said to anyone mango eat ram, तो sentence look like a correct but it's grammatical incorrect. जैसे मैं हिंदी की बात करूं तो हिंदी में भी ग्रामर का रोल रहता है. जैसे कि हिंदी के लोग उसे व्याकरण कहते हैं, तो हिंदी में भी अगर मैं सेंटेंस की बात करूं तो बोल सकता हूं कि है मोहन की कार. तो ये सेंटेंस ग्रामेटिकल करेक्ट है, बट सामने वाला समझ तो गया क्योंकि वो भी उस लैंग्वेज से कहीं ना कहीं सिमिलर है. तो हमें बिल्कुल करेक्ट और एग्जाम के पर्पस से हमें एकदम शुद्धता चाहिए. शुद्धता के लिए हमें ग्रामर पढ़ना पड़ेगा और अंडरस्टैंडिंग करनी पड़ेगी ग्रामर की. सो लेट मी नेक्स्ट मूव फॉरवर्ड. It ensures we aren't just throwing words together at a random. ये हमें एक चीज़ बताता है, जैसे मैंने अभी बोल के बताया कि है कार राम की. तो ये ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि हम किसी पर रैंडमली टुगेदर वर्ड फेंक रहे हैं, बट ऑर्गेनाइज देम इन अ वे दैट अदर कैन अंडरस्टैंड. इससे ये रास्ता बताता है कि सामने वाला भी उस चीज़ को समझ सके. The two pillars of grammar. This is very very important. First is morphology. Morphology होता है focuses on how individuals word are formed. Morphology. And if I said like as a puzzle here plus ed, okay, and puzzles plus, so adding ed to walk to create walked, past tense. We should like morphology, we should like focus how is like creating anything. When we read anything, that time we focused on that. As I hear un, okay, happy is a verb and word. Adding un to happy to change the meaning to unhappy. Okay, we are focusing on this morphology. This when we focus to anyone reading, writing, any skills, any individual format, so we call the morphology. Next thing is comes syntax. This is very very big important play role in grammar. Focuses on how words are arranged to form sentence. Morphology will tell us how can we use as a verb and how can we change formed words. But syntax will tell us how can we arrange sentence in sequence way. So if you change the order, you change the meaning. अगर देखो वर्ड का ऑर्डर चेंज कर दोगे, क्रम चेंज कर दोगे, तो उसका मीनिंग भी चेंज हो जाएगा. टाइपिकली के सब्जेक्ट्स, वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑर्डर ये होते हैं कि पहले आएगा सब्जेक्ट, फिर वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस इज ऑर्डर ऑफ सेंटेंस. एग्जाम्पल, द कैट चेस्ट द माउस. The cat chased the mouse. Cat is a here subject, chased is a verb, the mouse is object. Next, we move in other. Yes. As I told before you starting video, like why it matters. Why should we learn? So in this sequence we will learn why should we learn. Grammar will tell us clarity. Okay, the dog bite the man bite the dog. Versus, okay, avoids word salah and caustic communication. Okay, it avoids like many things. If somebody is not able to understand, they will clarity. Okay, and next thing, time and sequence, timeline. Worked, past, working, present, will work, future. Verb tenses tell us if something happened in the past, is happening now, or will happen later. This is why it matters. Next thing is relationship. So uses prepositions and conjunctions to show how ideas relate. Example, the book is on the table. On is a here preposition. Why should we understand and why should I correct and why should I use as a correct preposition? Because when we know how to use grammar and what is the role of grammar, then we will use. And versus under the table. So what will you use? Because the book is under the table, not on. Okay, so it matters. So let me some doubt also clear. Yes. Understanding grammar, the architecture of meaning. जब हम ग्रामर को समझने लगते हैं तो ये आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ मीनिंग, तो हमें उसका मीनिंग समझ में आने लगता है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग ग्रामर इज लेस अबाउट मेमोराइजिंग अ ड्राई लिस्ट ऑफ दो साल्ट नोट्स एंड मोर अबाउट सीइंग द आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ मीनिंग. At its core, grammar is the set of invisible rails that allow thoughts to travel from one brain to another without crashing. मतलब ये एक चीज का रास्ता बताता है. अगर विदाउट क्रैशिंग, अगर हमने किसी से कुछ कहा तो वो सामने वाला इजीली समझ सकता है, उसके माइंड में फिट हो जाता है. सो द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स मॉर्फोलॉजी. अब बात करते हैं मॉर्फोलॉजी, द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स. Smallest unit of meaning. Okay, we said as a cat example है. Cat plus s, plurality, it is plural. Okay. Words, parts, as a mix as. Cats, cat plus s. Next, parts of speech, job descriptions. Noun, thing building. Verb, action, person. Adjective, flavor, paint brush. Why we are understanding? Because it blocks morphology. Next thing, word transformation. Okay. walk time. I just walked also time. But it tells it is be used can present, it can be used in past. Happy is a verb or noun. It is like a noun time. Happily relationship. It is a adverb. Next we move head, that is very important. Second, the blueprint syntax. It is very important in this grammar. Arrangement of blocks. Okay. Word wide. Okay. Meaning through order. Okay. The dog bite the man. मतलब the dog bite the man. कुत्ते ने आदमी को काटा. The man bite the dog. आदमी ने कुत्ते को काटा. It is wrong. But I don't know, it will it was condition or something else. Standard pattern, subject verb object. It is a pattern of sentence. Why we understand when we how can we use as a subject? How would we know what is a subject and verb or object? After completing grammar, we will had understand everything. Next thing is word wide. The man. It is a telling us blueprint syntax. Next thing is that is most important, the logic of relationship. Yes. Syn- System of agreement. Subject verb agreement. It means जो सब्जेक्ट है किस वर्ब के साथ क्या यूज होगा. एज वी से ही रन्स, दे रन. डिड यू focus one thing? Here we use runs, runs, runs. Okay, runs. Yes. And here use only run, run. Why? Because this is plural, this is singular. How would know this? Due to grammar. Next is tense consistency. Happened, past, is happening, present, will happen, future. Okay, and we understand. Okay, now we have next forward, that is biggest important. How to master it without a textbook. So continuous with me watching every video whatever I will upload on this channel. And many things is read deeply, subconsciously downloading correct patterns, and reverse engineer, swap words while keeping the structure, the quick brown focus jumps, the slow blue robot clients with word blocks being set. Diagramming, visually breaking a sentence into branches. When we read any sentence, we should break sentence for understanding of grammar. I hope you have understand overall this video. Next video waiting for on this channel, and be if you want to get before next video, then subscribe channel, like video, share this video, and press bell icon. So I hope you have understand, and thank you for watching.